Hi everyone, TechATV here. In for today's video is we have this HP DeskJet GT5820 printer that shows E3 printer error code. And resume button is continuously flashing. To fix this error, try this method. Step 1, load a paper and press the resume button. And if the E3 error appears again, do this second step. Perform a tap test by pressing the power and cancel button. And if the E3 error remain appears, follow me this third method to fix this issue. Please turn off your printer. Then remove the paper loaded on your paper tray. Unplug the USB cable and power cord. Open your front door cover and inspect for any foreign object or crumpled paper that causes paper jams. But in my case, I don't see any foreign object or crumpled paper inside the unit. So the next step is open the paper jam ejector slot. If you found foreign object inside or crumpled paper, please fully remove all objects that causes paper jam. But in my case, I don't see any paper jams inside the ejector slot. If you have the same issue like mine, let's proceed on the next step. Open the front door cover and remove scanner screws. Then, we can now remove or uninstall the scanner. And carefully detach the panel button flex and scanner flex cable. Then again, inspect on its paper tray for any foreign object or crumpled paper which may cause paper jam or E3 error. And then again, no paper jam found. Then next is check its Carriage Encoder strip for any physical damage or ink stain. As we can see here, Carriage Encoder strip is damaged by a moist or ink stain. Ink stain can be removed by cleaning and using a tissue and water, but if cannot be removed through cleaning, please replace its Carriage Encoder strip just to fix the E3 error. Just let me focus to you the damage encoder strip for you to identify the damage and caused by E3 error. Before removing the Carriage Encoder strip, just check and clean also the PF encoder disc by using a tissue and water. Then install the PF encoder sensor. Then now remove the defective Carriage Encoder strip. And this is the new replacement Carriage Encoder strip. When installing the Carriage Encoder strip, you must put the arrow in upside position. Then, insert the Carriage Encoder strip to the Carriage Encoder strip sensor. Then install the flatbed scanner and attach the panel button flex and scanner flex cable. Install the scanner screws. Then plug the power cord and USB cable. Load a paper on its paper tray. Then now turn on the printer to test if the E3 error is resolved. Then let's focus on its display panel. When it displays 0, that means the printer is normal and good. So here, as we can see, the resume button stopped blinking and the E3 error is gone. Then now, let's perform a tap test to print quality diagnostic page by pressing the power and cancel button. And that's how simple it is to replace the defective Carriage Encoder strip for this HP DeskJet GT5820 printer and fix the E3 error or paper jam problem. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.